If you're seeing a 301 error on X, formerly Twitter, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step using simple methods that work on PC. This issue is often caused by a cached redirect, corrupted cookies, or sometimes even a browser extension, network issue, or a temporary problem on X's side. So we'll go through the fastest fix first, then move into the deeper cleanup steps. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, the quickest way to test whether your browser cache is the problem is to open X in a private or incognito window. If you're using Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. If you're using Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and P. Then go to x.com or twitter.com and try signing in again. If the site works in private mode, that's a very strong sign that your normal browser session has a cached redirect or bad cookie causing the 301 error. If that happens, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes. In your browser, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. A clear browsing data window will open. Set the time range to all time or everything so you remove the full cached history for the site. Then make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected. Once that's set, click Clear Data. After the cleanup is complete, refresh the page and try logging into X again. In many cases, that alone resolves the 301 redirect issue. If you still get the error, the next method is a little more advanced, but it can help when the browser seems stuck in an endless redirect loop. Open x.com or twitter.com normally, then press F12 to open Developer Tools. Click the Network tab at the top of the panel. Now look for the Disable Cache option and turn it on. Keep Developer Tools open, then right-click the browser refresh button and choose Empty Cache and Hard Reload. This forces the browser to ignore the old stored version and load the page fresh, which can break the redirect loop. Now let's check whether the problem is actually on X's side. Sometimes the 301 error is not your browser at all. It can be a server-side issue, an account restriction, or a temporary outage. Open a site like Downdetector and search for sh. If you see a spike in reports, the problem may be happening for a lot of users, which means the best move is simply to wait and try again later. Another thing to check is your browser extensions. Some ad blockers, VPNs, privacy tools, or tracking blockers can interfere with how X loads and cause redirect problems. Click the puzzle icon in the top right corner of your browser, then open Manage Extensions. Temporarily turn off any extensions that might affect traffic, especially VPNs, script blockers, or privacy filters. After disabling them, reload X and test it again. If it works, re-enable your extensions one by one to find the one causing the issue. You should also make sure you're using the correct URL. Try both x.com and twitter.com, since one may redirect differently depending on your browser state. If one link keeps failing, the other might still load correctly after a fresh cache clear. It's also a good idea to restart your browser completely after making these changes, because some redirect data only resets after a full restart. So to recap, first test X in an incognito window, then clear cookies and cached files, then try the Developer Tools hard reload, and finally check for outages or extension conflicts. One of those steps usually fixes the 301 error fast. If you want more helpful tech tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment below if this solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.